Okay, less than a week.
Yes.
From Halloween, the big day. So we've got family fun influencer Anna Huk back on the show, here to help us with some costumes, those last minute ideas. I love those last minute DIY ideas because I don't know, they just stand out. If you're going to a party this weekend and you've made your own costume, there's something to it. If you show up to the door next Tuesday, people are just like, oh my goodness.
Yep.
And you have plenty of experience at this because you have 4 kids. So,
I have 4.
So how many costumes have you made over your time?
It's been a lot of costumes over the years, right?
Where do you get your ideas from?
You know what? Some of them I see, some of them just came out of my head. So we're gonna get started with this. And you don't mind, I've made these Tim sized
for you. Okay,
yes.
So these can be for kids or for big kids.
Or for big kids right here. So we're gonna start off with this one. This is a rain cloud.
Okay.
So
How did you do this?
Well, what is under here is a thrifted, wide-brimmed, beautiful white hat. And this stuff here is that cobweb stuff from the dollar store that you get. It's not very good apparently for the wildlife, so we're gonna repurpose it and use it in these crafts. And then I put little string lights from the dollar store here too. And I have little raindrops that I put on here. So we're gonna put this on your head.
Oh, it's okay.
There you go. And now, of course, because you are raining, we don't want you to get wet. So we're gonna put your coat on.
Put the jacket on.
Let's see if this fits. Oh, there we go. And your little umbrella. And you.
Where is it raining? Where do I need the umbrella?
You know what? Just carry the umbrella.
Carry the umbrella.
Yeah. Oh,
so
you
there
look
we go.
lovely. Okay, so we're gonna move on. There's your little rain cloud.
There we go.
It doesn't want to go. There we go.
Stuck on that.
Now we're going to move on.
Pretty easy to do. Okay.
Now
What's this one?
is another thrifted one. So we are going to turn you into Medusa. So this is a thrifted sheet, and we're going to put it on you like.
Is this something that you've actually made for one of your children?
I have. This is a costume I actually made a few years ago. So we're going to put on like a toga, and then we're going to wrap this around your waist because Medusa, for some reason, always seems to be green and gold, and I'm not really sure how she got those colors, but we're going to do it like that.
Do you have a tickle truck you're getting all this stuff from, or like? Because this is the time of the year where that tickle truck is good because you can repurpose things rather than going out and buying new stuff.
Well, exactly right. So these are I made this. We're gonna have to be very careful with it because
wow.
I know these are snakes from Party City that I've glued to this headband. I painted it gold and left a little bit of black through there. So yeah, it is a little bit delicate right now, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. But yeah, here, Medusa, you can do it in.
Medusa.
It is Medusa. Ooh, there we go.
Oh.
Now we're gonna move on to, let me just take this off you. Whoa!
2 down. Okay, what's up next?
I love this idea. This is your cotton candy seller. And I like this because it's great for little kids. It can go over whatever bulky item of clothing they have to wear outside, because we know Halloween night, as Brian was saying earlier, it generally always seems to rain. Yeah, it could rain, it could snow, it could be whatever. So we're going to put this little DIY bow on your head too. You've had so many little bows here. You look so cute. And if cotton candy's not your thing, this is a very easy costume that can be repurposed into maybe popcorn, maybe hot dogs, whatever it is.
Not edible. Not edible.
So this again, this is just the cobweb from the dollar store, same stuff, and then instead of spray paint, this is actually the hairspray that you can find this time of year, the colored hairspray. Okay. So let's take that off.
Okay, so we got one more?
We have one more.
We got a minute left.
A minute left. So this is a real last minute. This is for the kid who decides they actually do want to go trick-or-treating after they told you that they didn't. This is all from our recycling. So you're a washing machine.
No way. So you put this around your neck?
Put that around your neck. So all this stuff just came from our recycling, obviously. This is the cardboard. This was a lid off of a sandwich platter that we had. I put some white fabric in there, some loose socks, and you are a washing machine.
That's fabulous. Anna Huk, these are some great ideas. Any suggestions where people get those last-minute ideas? Where do you, Pinterest is a good idea?
You can go to Pinterest. You can go to my Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Family Fun Expert, and there's lots of stuff for Halloween there.
Awesome. Well, trick or treat, everybody. Happy finding a costume as we get closer and closer to the big day. More Morning Live, back in a couple minutes. What's this one here?